cloudy with a chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 60s. Chance of precipitation 60%. Saturday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then clearing. Lows in the mid-40s. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 195, effective until 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Cook, DeKalb, DuPage, Fort, Grundy, Iroquois, Kane, Kankakee, Kendall, LaSalle, Lake, Lee, Livingston, McHenry, McLean, Ogle, Vermilion, Will and Winnebago, and the following counties in Indiana: Benton, Jasper, Lockport, Lake, Newton, Porter, Pulaski, and Stark, and the following: Lake Michigan from Wind Point, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake, Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois, Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois, Calumet Harbor, Illinois to Gary, Indiana, Gary to Burns Harbor, Indiana, Burns Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana, Lake Michigan from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake, and Lake Michigan from Wilmette Harbor, Illinois to Michigan City, Indiana, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake, and the following counties in Wisconsin: Kenosha and Waworth. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is NOAA's Weather Radio, KWSO 39 Chicago. Severe weather is occurring.